Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyas IIT Prep channel. I am Dr. Karthikeya. So in this video we are going to discuss 2024 JEE Mains Oscillation questions. Okay, so we are solving these questions in a systematic manner from the in every video beginning from first year syllabus, that is units and measurement, and going slowly like in a step-by-step manner from one chapter to another chapter, and also we have done in a topic wise manner and also phase wise manner. That is, initially we have gone through January phase, then April phase, separate videos mostly for all the topics it was there. And yeah, coming to this topic, oscillations, you know that oscillations topic, like how to solve these questions, what we need are, initially you need to understand what is extreme position, what is mean position, what is the energy at the extreme and mean position, how the energy is conserved at different positions. Similarly, you need to know what is the amplitude, time period, frequency, angular frequency, all these things. If you know the basics from the other chapters, so then you can easily solve this kind of questions. Okay, now going to the topic. So this is January shift. So here you know that frequency is f is equal to 1 by 2 pi, okay, root k by f. Okay, so f1 if you consider like that, so whereas f2 is 1 by 2 pi root k by 9m. Okay, so the other things are fixed, only thing is mass change. f1 by f2 is equal to, okay, here 1 by root m, so remaining things are same, 1 by root 9m, that means 3. Okay, f1 by f2 only he wants, that is 3. Okay, just if you know this formula and apply the, when the mass is 9m, you can easily get this answer. So this came in the February 1st shift 2. Okay, this is answer is 3. Okay. Okay, simple question, right? First question is very simple. Now going to the, okay, amplitude is given at the mean position, velocity is, okay, velocity is given at the mean position. So distance you need to calculate. Okay, in a simple harmonic motion, you know that, okay, velocity is given 10 centimeter per second. Okay, amplitude is, okay, 4 centimeter. You know that maximum at the mean position, maximum velocity, that is a omega equal to 10 centimeter per second, v equal to a omega. So a, if you substitute 4 omega is equal to 10 centimeter per second, omega equal to 5 by 2. Okay, now generally you know that v is equal to, okay, v is equal to omega into root of a square minus x square. Okay, v is how much now? Second, after that sometime, it is a 5 centimeter equal to 5 by 2 into root a square is 4 square minus x square, cancelled. So then what happened? 2 is equal to root of 16 minus x square. So that is 4 is equal to 16 minus x square. X square is equal to 12, x equal to root 12. So that means alpha is how much? 12. Okay. So if you know the velocity formula from this, you can easily get the answer. Okay, this is also one of the easiest questions. Before you need to calculate omega and substitute in this equation, you will get the x value. Okay, now going to the next question. Next question, in the next question, a ball is suspended by thread in vertical plane such that velocity at the extreme and lowest position are equal. Okay, extreme and lowest position are equal. So you know that here at the lowest position, what is the energy you have? Half mv square. At the highest position, if the length of this one is mgl into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, if both are equal, right? So then half mv square is equal to mgl into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, get cancelled. So v square is equal to 2gl into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, anyway, okay, now actually you know that, so same thing if you see, okay, or if you keep v square by 2, okay, remaining things same. Then another thing is, you know that at extreme position, so if you cancel that, another acceleration is g into this is 1 minus cos theta, okay. So acceleration, general things, if you are going to the top and if it is making an angle theta, this is g sin theta. This one cancel, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, okay. Okay, now this is equal to, this is 2 sin square theta by 2, okay. So cancelled, okay, sin square get cancelled, this one. So tan theta by 2, tan theta by 2 is equal to, here 2gl, right, 2gl, okay. So remaining things are same, okay, LL get cancelled, finally you will get 1 by 2, okay. Then what you will get? So here tan theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2, theta by 2 equal to, okay. So what you will get? 2 tan theta by 2, you will get tan inverse 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 2 into tan inverse 1 by 2. This is the answer. Okay, theta if you want. Okay, he is asking only angle theta. So you will get that. Only thing you need to know what is the acceleration, what is the energy that is present. So here this is potential energy, this is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy at this position equal to, so it is increased, right, height. Because of the height increase, we got potential energy. So both should be equal and finally you get the answer. Okay, now going to the next question. When the displacement of the particle is, okay, what? Displacement is a by 3, okay. So you know that kinetic energy, total energy is the kinetic energy. So total energy equal to half m, okay, half m, this one. So in place of a square, okay. So you need to, in place of x square, you need to write half m a by 3, okay. So this one. Here total energy, okay, by this one is there. So finally what happened, okay, okay, omega square x square, because v is equal to a omega, okay, general thing. So if you write, okay, I'll write properly, yes. See this, v in place of v, if you write a by 3 omega square, here omega square. So what you will get if you write half m a square omega square by 9, 1 by 9. This is what half mv square. That means if you consider half mv square as, okay, this one. So after that what happened? It is e by 9. Okay, what he wants? Ratio of total energy to the kinetic energy. Okay, total energy. So that is E minus E by 9 change by E only. That is 8 by 9. So what you will get? Okay. Okay, total energy, that is reciprocal, right? Kinetic energy. Okay, reciprocal. Okay. Kinetic energy by total energy is equal to what you will get? 9 by 8. Okay, reciprocal of this one. Okay, so you will get x value as 9. X value 9. This is the answer. Okay, now going to the next question. In the next question what happened? Here is simple harmonic motion with amplitude is given, time period is given. Time required to move from this place to that place is pi by x. Okay, pi by x. He has given a simple harmonic motion of amplitude a and time period is 6 by second. Okay, if you see this one, it has to traverse from its main position and to other position. So that is this one. Okay, root 3 by 2 a. So for example, if you consider this one as a, this one as q, pq. Okay, radius is a. Okay, x position. This is 5. This is how much? Root 3 by 2a. So that means cos phi is equal to, okay, root 3 by 2 a by a. Okay, this is also a. This is what root 3 by 2 a get cancelled. Phi is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos phi equal to root 3 by 2. That means phi is equal to pi by 6. Okay, you know that. Similarly, if you want to write phi as omega t, okay, is equal to pi by 6. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t into, okay, time, okay, is equal to pi by 6. Okay, so time required is pi by x. He only written 2 pi by 6 pi into is equal to pi by 6. This is 3, right? So pi get cancelled. This is 2. X is equal to what you will get? 2 you will get. So this is the answer. So the only thing I have taken in this triangle, phi is cos phi. If you take this is a by, this is root 3 by 2 a. Okay, sorry, this is root 3 by 2 a. This is also a only because it's radius. This is also radius. Radius is a only. Okay, going to the next question. In the next question, this question is related to acceleration due to gravity and also this one. So in this question, if you see, you know the time period of the simple pendulum is t is equal to 2 pi into root L by g. But here he is telling he has gone into such an extent where g dash at height is equal to g by 1 plus h by r whole square. But what is h? R only. So that means g by 1 plus r by r whole square. That is r get cancelled. You will get 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. That is g by 4. So that means time period, if you want to calculate 2 pi into length of the pendulum is 4. G is pi square by 4. So finally what you will get? 2 pi into 4 will go to top 4 by pi. Okay. Finally what you will get? 8 seconds. This is the answer. Simple question, right? So if you know the value of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity at a height h, if you know that formula from the gravitation concept, you can easily solve this question. Time period equal to 2 pi into root of L by g. But in place of g, you need to calculate g dash. Okay, simple question, right? Now going to the next question. In the next question, what happens? A particle performs simple harmonic motion with amplitude a. So its speed is tripled. Speed v dash is equal to 3v. But actually you know that v is equal to a into, okay, omega square minus x square. Okay, sorry. V is equal to omega into root of a square minus x square. Okay, here v omega is, okay, you know that, but a square minus 2a by 3 whole square. So if you calculate, you will get 5a root 5a by 3. But v dash is equal to 3v. Okay, that is what? 3 into root 5 by 3 into omega. Okay, cancel. Root 5a omega. This is that. Root 5a omega is equal to omega into a dash square minus x square. X is what? 2a by 3 whole square. So now you can calculate omega cancelled. This is what you will get. Okay, x is 2a by 3. Okay, a dash, you just calculate from this, you will get the answer. Simple question, right? You just square it. Okay, you will get the answer. 5a square, that is 4a square by 9. So you just calculate this simple calculation, you will get the answer. Okay, now going to the next question. So here springs are there. Springs are there where these springs, initially these are in parallel. So if you want to calculate here, so two things, if you get k plus k, that is the 2k. In parallel, if you get the k equivalent, k plus k, that is 2k. Here in series, here what happened? K equivalent equal to, series means 1 by k plus 1 by k into k. That is, if you 1 by k equivalent for this 2, if you see 1 by k, 2k plus k. Okay, that is what you will get, 2k in k by, Okay, 2k plus k by 2k square. That is what you will get. 2k by, okay, 3k by 2k square. K get cancelled. 2k by 3 you will get. Okay, reverse. Plus what you will get. Okay, here plus k. That means 5k by 3. Okay. Now, what you need to calculate? Time period. Time period equal to 2 pi into 2 pi by omega, that is 2 pi into root of k by m. So, but here k is k equivalent. So, 2 pi into root of m by 5k by 3. Okay. Now, see, here in terms of pi into root of alpha m by 5k is there. Okay, now see if it is going to top 2 pi into root 3m by 5k. Okay, 5k in the denominator, if you want to compare, it's same only. But this 2, if you go inside, that is 4. So finally I will write the answer, pi into root of 2, if you go inside, that will become 4 in the root. 4 3 is 12. 12m by 5k. So alpha is how much? 12. This is the answer. Okay, just a simple formula only. You need to substitute in this formula, and you need to know series, parallel, combination of springs. If you know that, you will get this answer. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss oscillations, April shift 2024 JEE Mains question. As usual, to answer these questions you need to understand what is mean position, extreme position, how to understand the motion of this oscillatory particle. So what is its displacement, acceleration, velocity, all the things. What is the amplitude, all the basic things if you know, and how it is varying at extreme position and main position if you know, you can easily answer every question. Okay. Now going to the questions, each and every individual question in April shift. Okay. So now going to the questions in the April shift. Yeah. This is the first question. If you see this question in the simple harmonic portion, total mechanical energy, that means total energy is E only. So here, if the mass is doubled, but a new energy, here amplitude is not changing. So here total energy T is equal to half K A square. So if the amplitude is not changing, energy will be remain same. That's why, okay, E is the answer. Total energy is E only. Okay, simple question without any calculation you can do. So now going to the next question. Here, time period you need to calculate. Here, position is given. So you know that x is equal to 10 into sine omega t plus pi by 3. Okay, if you want to know v is equal to dx by dt, that is 10 omega cos omega t plus pi by 3. Okay, now see this, time period is given, so that is t is equal to pi is equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, if you want omega, that is 2 pi by pi, so that is 2 radians per second. Okay, v is equal to 10 into 2 into cos omega t. At t equal to 0, this is omega t, it will become 0. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cancelled. What you will get? 10. Okay, meter per second. This is the answer. Okay, simple question, right? So only thing you need to calculate, okay, velocity. So if you know displacement, and you can easily get the velocity. Okay, next question. Next question. So what happened? Amplitude is given, time period is given, maximum velocity of the particle v is equal to a omega. Okay, maximum velocity is this one. Amplitude is 0.06. Omega is 2 pi by pi. Okay, cancelled. What you will get? V is equal to this one. Okay. Now this is 0.12. What is this? Meters per second, but you need to get in centimeters. That means into 100, if you multiply, you will get 12 centimeter per second. So this is simple, very simple question. So maximum velocity, if you know in the at which location, whether it is extreme position or main position, if you know, so you'll get the answer. So you know that, so this is a maximum velocity at extreme position. So if you see, that is answer. Okay, simple question, right? This came in the April shift 2024. Okay, now going to the next question. Object mass is given, simple harmonic motion frequency is given. Okay, see this. Okay, at this position X, object kinetic energy is there. Total energy is equal to Ke plus Pe. Okay, Ke plus Pe, that is 0.9 joules. That is equal to half m omega square A square. Okay, so here omega is, okay, this is 0.9 joules. This is total energy of 0.2 into omega is 2 pi f. 2 pi into f is 25 by pi. For that square into amplitude you need to calculate. Okay, 0.9 joules initially you will get in the form of, so just calculate, this is 0.1, pi get cancelled. Okay, now 50 square, 0.1 into 50 square is how much? 2500 into a square. So this is 0.9, cancelled, 9 you will get. So a square is equal to 9 by 2500. Okay. Okay, now see this. So that a is equal to 3 by 25. Okay, which is in meters. But if you want in centimeters, you will get. So in by 3 by 25 into 10 power minus 2 centimeters. Okay, so if you see this value is around 6 centimeters, you calculate it is around 6 centimeters. This is the answer. Okay, only thing I use the expression total energy. So if you see this, it's very simple, one of the easiest question. Now position, velocity, acceleration is given. In this question, what happened? So velocity, position, acceleration all are given. So if you observe, you need to calculate amplitude. So here velocity, okay, x is 4 meters, v is 2 meter per second, acceleration is 16 meter per second. But generally you know that a equal to omega square into x. Why I am calculating omega means you need to substitute in this v equal to omega into root of a square minus x square. By using this only we need to calculate. 16 is equal to omega square into 4. Omega equal to root of 16 by 4. That is 2 radians per second. So velocity is given 2, that is equal to 2 into a square, you need to calculate, x is 4 square. So then 2 to get cancelled, 1 is equal to 1 square is 1 only, a square minus 16, a square is equal to 17, a is equal to root 17. This is the answer. So this one you need to calculate, x equal to 17. This is the answer. Okay, simple question, right? Hardly 2 steps I have used. Okay. Next question. Here, next question. In the next question, we need to calculate time period. What he has given? Force is given. So if you see the things, force is equal to 50 into x. Okay, negative symbol shows that direction is opposite. Generally, mass into acceleration is force formula, 50x. So mass into acceleration is in the simple harmonic motion is omega square. X get cancelled. M is 0.5. Omega square is equal to 50. Okay. Then what happened? Omega square is equal to 0.5. If you bring this side, that is 1 by 2. That means 100 you will get. Omega equal to 10 radians per second. What he is asking? Time period. Time period t is equal to 2 pi by omega. So that is equal to x by 35. X you need to calculate. So 2 pi by 10 is equal to x by 35. 2 into 22 by 7 into 10. If you cut this, so you will get x by 35, that is given. 22 by 35, that means x by 35. X is equal to 22. This is the answer. Okay, so that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed. So please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you. All the best.